Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. This is a haul video. My trip down to Fort Wayne, Indiana. I hit 3 garage sales and an estate sale with the fam. Coming up next, I believe, is my trip down there. And I didn't get any video of the garage sales because it was like quick in and out, but I did get some good video right here of the estate sale. I'm on my way to Fort Wayne, Indiana to go treasure hunting. That's sort of true. I'm actually going to visit family. My parents and my sister live down there. So I'm going to spend the night down there Friday, Saturday. Not sure how much video I'll get. Hopefully I'll get a lot. Do a little treasure hunting today, maybe. I should arrive there about 12:30. But for sure Saturday. We're going to hit the antique stores. I don't know what else they have planned. But that'll come up later in the video. And I'm driving the wife's new Ford Escape Titanium. This baby is beautiful. I love it. Can't get a good video of it, but yeah, it's got the EcoBoost 4-cylinder, so it gets really good gas mileage. I filled the tank in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I'll let you know how much gas I have left when I get to Fort Wayne, Indiana. I'm going to make a prediction. I'm going to say it's going to use a quarter of a, not even that. I'm going to say an eighth of a tank to get from here to there. So I'll let you know at the end of the video. If I find any treasures and good stuff, I'll do like an unboxing or what I bought at the end of the video. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be 85 degrees. Same down there. Tomorrow, same thing, 86 degrees here and there. So the weather is supposed to be beautiful. I got my Dunham's, no, not Dunham's, Duluth Trading Company safari hat so I can keep the sun off my face. And I'm ready, pocket full of cash. Here I come, Indiana. What's your name? Say, my name's Finley. I'm the world's friendliest dog. World's friendliest dog. World's friendliest dog. Here. Oh, now you're not going to do anything. Every time you turn the camera on, he freezes. When you turn the camera off, he goes crazy.
cool out here.
Yeah, not like the garage. Yeah, welcome to Michigan. That's the estate sale. I called it the Brady Bunch house. It was a very nice estate sale. The staff were great. The house hadn't obviously been redecorated since the late 60s, early 70s. I like the sunken living room. It's kind of like the Brady Bunch. It was pretty cool. I found a little bit of stuff, so coming up right here will be my unboxing. Alright, here's the unboxing. This was a garage sale find. This is a tool, I believe it's discontinued. It's a Black & Decker ready wrench. It's 16 different sizes, standard and metric. I don't think they make this anymore. Got it for $4. Price tag still on it. It's new in the box, and I did some comparables after I got home. It sells $33 to $35 on eBay. This is one of those things, if I'm correct, people love these because you can't get them anymore. So, little history, I bought a Black & Decker cordless scissors. It kind of looked like cordless drill, but that was new in the package. I got it at a flea market for $8, sold it for $46 because they don't make them anymore, and people love this stuff. So, if I'm right, and this is discontinued, it should sell quite well. You saw this in the video. I'm not even sure what this is, so I bought it anyways. It was kind of a gamble. It's very old, obviously. I believe this goes like this. Alright, this goes open like this. And these are parts. I believe these are all copper bushings and different things. It's got the descriptions there. I really don't even know what this is, but I thought it was cool anyways, and it was $5. So I have to do some research on this to see what it is. Stuff like this, usually, I don't know if it's real collectible or not, but it's kind of a gamble. Sometimes you just gotta take a gamble and buy stuff. And then these were Sega Genesis, no, not Genesis, Sega Game Gear games. I got these for 50 cents a piece at the estate sale. One of these games I looked up is about $10 to $12. The others are like $1 or $2. You got NHL hockey, a baseball, solitaire. I don't even know what that is. But anyways, I'll lot these together. $15 shipping on top. Research this. This I'll put for I'll do $29.95 plus shipping on top. It should sell real fast. And then a bonus for this, that's for me, a bonus for this video, I got my picture from Lonnie. So Garage Flips, I bought a picture from him, World War II, I believe it's a nurse. He mentions it in his video, I believe if you go back. Boy, I'll try to link it in the description below. I already link his channel in the description below. But he gave me a shout out. So thank you to Lonnie from Garage Flips for that. I'm going to open this baby up and take a look at it. I already bought a frame, and it's going to go right there on the wall. So it'll be in all my future videos now. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. This is a snap-on knife I got from my cousin Carson. Really, really nice. I don't know if the lighting will catch that or not, but I really like it. I might not even need a knife to open this. I'm doing it one-handed. You know what? I'm going to have to open it first. Alright, I had to tear it apart off camera. So here we go. This is my first time seeing it. It's got a little note. Let's see here. It says, Dave, thanks for the order. Hope you love the photo. Best of luck with your channel. Take care, Lonnie Garage Flips. That was very nice of him to do that. There you can see the note. And it's his card. Thanks for the purchase, Garage Flips. I ordered some business cards too for my channel through Vistaprints. It was $7, so that was really nice line. There's the picture. He packaged this up really good. There it is. And this baby, I had to destroy it to get it open. Just a standard envelope, but wow. A little backer. He did a really good job. I really like this. Next, I'm going to frame this thing up. Alright, there she is. I love it. There's the card from Lonnie. Garage Flips up there. So yeah, I think it looks good. I might move it. I don't know. I kind of like it there. Someday I'm going to do a tour of the office and talk about all of these things you see on the back wall. Show you some cool stuff. So yeah, I'll do a tour of the office video. Not that that's super exciting, but yeah, my haul's right here. The tools. This thing here, Research City, Sega Game Gear, going up soon. Perfect. I love it. Alright guys, that's it. This is the Midwest Picker. That's a little different view of my office with now the picture back there. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below. Questions, I'm getting a lot of questions. Please send them to my email that's below. It's a lot easier for me to do that. I don't mind answering a couple questions in the comments, but it might be easier to shoot me an email. Future video coming really soon. I'm shooting the raw footage right now of my experience on the movie set, so that is coming up. Also, what else is coming up? What sold on eBay? That's coming up too. To give you a preview, candlesticks right here. Those candlesticks, I sold them. So I will talk about what I listed them for. I took a best offer and they sold. So that'll be coming up soon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.